If you haven't heard of Blackview, they basically make cameras for your car, dash cams, reverse cameras. They also make tablets. They actually go a step further and they have a child company subsidiary called Oscal. And today, this is the Oscal Pad 10. It's powered by Android 12, has a 10.1 inch screen, 1200 by 1920 HD, an octa-core processor, a rear 13 megapixel camera, front 8 megapixel, 128 gigs onboard storage, and a 6580 milliamp battery. The box is the exact same box with different art that the Blackview brings to the table, the one we did on our channel earlier. It is nice they put a little cardboard inlay, but there's no real other foam or anything like that put in there, so it's as nice as it needs to be. Unfortunately, they're still going with some plastic on here, but they aren't going with plastic on here. It's a wax paper that is translucent, so that's really cool. So this is a screen protector that they put in here. I'm guessing this is glass, because just feeling it, that is solid. That is a glass screen protector for sure. So put that off to the side because you guys are going to want that if you get this on a future unboxing giveaway, perhaps. We don't know what's going to happen with this. This is the Pad 10 right out of the gates. It's not light. I must say it's fairly on the heavy side, but you know, a lot of people do like having a heavier tablet than a light one because it feels like your money's going somewhere. That's a real thing. In the box, we have the quick start guide. We have a USB-C cable all wrapped up. We have a pin for the SD card / SIM card potentially removal tool because it does have 4G. Haven't checked it out yet. And we have a European spec charger. This will not fit in Canada, America, Japan, Mexico because it doesn't have the flat slats. This one is circular, so you're gonna have to use an adapter or a converter if you want to match voltage and all that. I don't know what this is. It has little handles for me to take it out, but it's glued down. So weird design choice. Not sure what they were going with there, but overall is what it is. And yes, it does look like we went here and it has a TF, which is trans flash, aka SD. So it's hybrid SIM, which means you can do 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and an SD, but you can't do 2 SIMs and an SD. So that's neither here nor there because it really is just a little bit of a bonus that they give you that second slot. Over here, let's take this out. It should just slide out. I don't believe it's glued down. It is not. Kudos to them for using paper there. And you do have a mask here, so we got to peel this off. Oh, that's so satisfying. It's satisfying and bad at the same time. I never like taking those off, honestly. I still have the plastic on my TV from like 2014. This is very reflective. Hi, everybody. And that's because it's not an e-reader. This is a LCD LED tablet. It is not an ebook reader. That's not what we're doing here. On the back, it is different than the Blackview. This goes with more of a light gray aluminum. And the thing about this nice aluminum is that it doesn't leave any fingerprints. It's so beautifully crafted. I really like this aluminum, and it wraps around, and you know what? It actually uses a different composition of aluminum for the side. It wraps around, but it wraps around in such a way where they two-tone it. They kind of contrast it with each other, not contrasting colors, but contrasting kind of brushstroke aluminum. Very cool. You have a camera bump, not entirely tremendously deep. The lenses themselves aren't very large, but it looks like one of them is a flash package. I don't believe that's a lens. So you have a SIM card tray and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the very outskirts of it, which is great. You have power, volume up, volume down. I think that's LCD indicator, LED indicator. I haven't looked at it yet. And you have USB-C, and you have some speakers on the side, of course, and the bottom is completely clean. As for now, this is the Oscal Pad 10 made by parent company Blackview. This is everything that comes in the box with it. Stay tuned for a full review that you will check out on Good eReader's channel. But for now, for Good eReader Tech, this is Peter.